Diesel Part Santa?
Diesel part Santa?
Diesel part Santa?
Ho, ho, ho.
Yeah, this stuff over here don't turn all right. And got to fix this. And diesel parts for this over here. And I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. This just doesn't look right.
Yeah. Hey, could you just sign this, man? I got a ton more stuff to make.
Got a pen?
Thanks, man. Merry Christmas.
I didn't even get to tell you about this, how this thing, it slides up and down and we don't know what it does or where it goes. Where are you going, Diesel Santa?
Diesel Claus, wait up, wait up.
Whoa! Nobody stop Diesel Santa! We still got a lot of stuff to make!
If you like that video, like, comment, subscribe, and follow along. If you're interested in parts, advice, or a job opportunity, hit us up and let us know. Join us next time.
Whoa!
Oh shit!